Ever felt lost in a sea of console.log statements, desperately trying to find that one elusive JavaScript bug? It's a common developer frustration, but there's a much more efficient way to pinpoint and squash those errors. Today, we're diving into Chrome DevTools, your secret weapon for powerful, real-time JavaScript debugging. Get ready to transform your debugging workflow. First things first, let's open up Chrome DevTools. You can do this by right-clicking anywhere on your web page and selecting Inspect, or by simply pressing F12 on Windows or Command-Option+I on Mac. Once DevTools is open, navigate to the Sources panel. This panel is your central hub for debugging, displaying your project's file tree, a code editor, and the powerful debugger section on the right. The core of debugging is setting breakpoints, which are intentional pauses in your code execution. To set one, simply click on the line number in the code editor where you want the script to stop. A blue icon will appear, indicating your breakpoint is active. For more control, right-click a line number to add a conditional breakpoint, which only pauses when a specific condition you define is met. Incredibly useful for loops or specific scenarios. Once your code hits a breakpoint and pauses, you gain control over its execution. Look for the stepping controls at the top of the debugger panel. Step over, F10 executes the current line and moves to the next, skipping over any function calls on that line. Step into, F11 will jump inside a function call on the current line, letting you inspect its internal workings. If you're deep in a function and want to exit, step out, Shift F11 will finish the current function and return to its caller. And to let the script run until the next breakpoint, simply hit Resume Script Execution, F8. With your code paused, you can now inspect the state of your application. Head to the Scope pane in the Debugger section. Here you'll see all local, closure, and global variables along with their current values. For quick checks, simply hover over any variable in the code editor to see its value in a tooltip. For persistent monitoring, use the Watch pane, click the plus icon to add any JavaScript expression, and DevTools will display its value as you step through your code. Beyond breakpoints, the DevTools console is an invaluable companion for runtime debugging. You can open it as a drawer by pressing the S key. While your code is paused, you can evaluate any JavaScript expression directly in the console, testing potential fixes, or interacting with the page's current state. While console.log still has its place for quick checks, the console's ability to evaluate code in context, combined with breakpoints, offers a far more powerful and less intrusive debugging experience. Here's a pro tip: is handy. Avoid over-relying on it for complex debugging. Instead, for quick, temporary breakpoints without touching the DevTools UI, simply insert the debugger statement directly into your JavaScript code. When Chrome DevTools is open, your script will automatically pause at that line, just like a regular breakpoint. This is super efficient for focused inspections. Mastering Chrome DevTools will significantly boost your JavaScript development. Apply these techniques and debug like a pro. Start learning today at Sikho.ai.